Well, laugh of the day. Devil Girl. Roll it.
Such a good boy.
Apparently, she gets followers and she goes live and says, "That's a good boy." Yes, grab only. Good boy, Vaca. Such a good boy.
And Robert. Oh, such a good boy.
Oh, yes, Robert. You're such a good boy.
Love it.
I'm sorry, it just makes me laugh that people are actually they're giving her money, which is the roses and all that stuff, just for her to say your name. And I don't mean to be a douche here, but do you really want to go after a chick that's probably being tossed around like a chew toy, just for her to say your name? You're like, oh my god, she wants me totally. Sorry, but I'm not sorry. It's just how I roll. All right, you guys have a good night.